Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do some Saskatoon berry sconelettes. Sconelettes, I don't know if that's actually a word. I might have just made that up myself. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to take what would be a scone batter and we're going to make these little tartlets, these little like hand pies basically out of it with Saskatoon berries. Now Saskatoon berries, I believe they might be called like Juneberries or something like that in the United States. I'll have a look and I'll put a little bit of info in the description about where you can source Saskatoon berries. If you can't get Saskatoon berries, or they don't grow in your region, or they're called something else and you just can't find them and don't want to bother with it, you can use blueberries, or really any other berry that you want to use, but blueberries would be the most similar in structure to a Saskatoon berry in color. Saskatoon berries are delicious. I had never had them until we moved to Canada, so they definitely weren't in my region in the States where I lived, but they are just delightful. They're sweet and they have a little bit of an almond, I think a little bit of a vanilla aftertaste to them naturally. But like I said, if that's just out of your reach, then just get blueberries, super easy, and you can use frozen or fresh, whichever you prefer. All right, everybody, without much more chatter, let's get baking. These are the sconelettes. Sorry, I just broke it in half because I'm gonna eat it. This is what they look like. This is the next day after I made them, and they're cold because I put it in the fridge to store it. These turned out really well. The guys really liked it. I did a little sprinkle of salt on about 3 of them and not on 2 of them, just to test out if the salt made it sweeter or how that worked. I wouldn't put the salt on it, so it made it too salty for me. And there's enough in the recipe, so you don't really need it. These are good. They've got like the biscuity texture, which is what the scone is. And then the inside is like pie. So I would do these again. Both of the guys really like them. I hope that you give these a try. Again, you can use blueberries instead of Saskatoons or Juneberries, I think they're called in the States. I'm sure they have other names as well. But I hope you give this a try. Let me know if you like it. All right, everyone. See you in a bit.